This is a crimping tool from VCE Link. Hold the folding button and press the lock button to fold the handle. T568B label facilitates the confirmation of the order of wires. Exclusive for RJ45 connector end pass-through plug. The network cable can pass directly through the through hole of the inline type. AWG and OD must meet the requirements simultaneously. Put the Ethernet cable into crimping tool and cut the skin. Keep the wires neat with appropriate length. Plug the wires into the RJ45 port and plug the crimp.